In this next layer, we're going to paint a little thicker using the medium Neoma Gilb to create a glaze that allows for the initial layer to come shining through. Start by creating a larger pile of the lighter sky color using burnt sienna, cadmium yellow medium, and titanium white. Mix another color that will be our sky blue by mixing a touch of alizarin crimson, ultramarine blue, and titanium white. Notice how I've created a darker color and placed the white next to it. I do this so that I can grab a bit more of the color in case I want to go a bit richer in color than what I have mixed. Start with the whitest blue at the horizon line, move up towards a darker shade. Notice the brush strokes I'm taking are an X pattern as I move up into the sky. One of the issues that I see with some beginner painters is the need to create a gradual perfect shift in the sky from light to dark. But what this often does is create streaks of color which is not naturally seen in the sky. By making X marks, the sky becomes varying in color and even parts from the initial painting come shining through, making a more interesting and illuminating sky. Intensify the yellow of the sky with a bit more of the cadmium yellow medium. The contrast of the yellow against this complementary purple sky will bring more warmth to the sunlit areas. Now that I have the whole sky covered with various blocks of color, I'm going to use a dry mop brush to gently blend between the blocks of color. Notice how I'm softening the edges of the paint down into where the trees will go. This will allow the skyline to disappear in between the trees. At this point, I can still see some of my lines from the drawing. So I'm going to add a touch more opaque white to the color to help cover the lines and soften the colors just a bit more.